child in this glorious nation be dead and then be read.
Can we get some security in here, please, to
That is...
Guys, you
We need to get a talking feather up in here.
Your Honor, for submission on my corp's behalf, I have submitted the first kill of Glorious Sweet Mags when he came in with these Algos and attacked our whaling fleet. I mean, our
But
Oracle
can
fleet.
you
So you were
prove
defending
that
yourself.
he was in fact attacking you?
Do you have the combat logs from
been
said
on
incident?
Kill.
Yes,
Max,
I
what
think
system
we
are
do.
you in?
Please upload said logs so that we may all view them. Bolt Thunderfuck, you have a wonderful name. Are you a witness in this case? A material witness?
Okay,
I am.
are you in a fleet right
Okay.
now?
I need someone here who is not a material witness to any alleged crimes that may have taken place.
Oh yes, Sweet Mags and his group of thugs came into our system.
No editorializing, please. Once again, this is an august and auspicious court of law.
Excuse me. His associates
Thank you.
entered 7 TAC K and proceeded to attack a Rorqual.
I'm looking for anyone in this room who was not directly involved in such an event.
I'm not involved.
All right, Wyrall, I'm deputizing you as the bailiff. You will keep order in this court.
Me?
Wyrall. Wyrall is now the
Who are all these
Excellent.
people? Hi, who are you people? Who the fuck are you?
I didn't do it.
Anyone in the audience needs to remain quiet unless called upon.
Don't tell me what to do. Fuck
May
you.
I say
Excuse me, order.
some words?
Wyrall, thank you.
Yes, you may say some words.
Cornac clearly stated roughly 2 minutes ago that he did not care at all for his own people and would let them die. Women, children, and men involved.
Okay, Cornac,
Allow
hold
them
the
to
fuck up,
die
man.
rather
What?
than become
niggas.
Alright.
Should we put this on Twitch?
Really?
This would be funny.
I mean, it would be, but like, Cornac, fuck you.
Can we please keep order?
Whoa,
in
the decorum of the court is being breached once again.
Yes. Can we please keep order in the court? One person speaking at a time after being given strict permission.
Okay, can I
Refrain
speak
from
now?
personal
Proceed.
attack.
Can I speak, please?
Oh, for which side are you
Yes, you
speaking
can,
for?
my
You need to establish why you're here.
I am
And for
speaking for Cornac.
You're speaking for Cornac.
Yes.
All right, so you are a witness for the defense. Are you an expert witness or a character witness?
I am an expert witness, yes.
There are
No,
only
this
One
is
at a time.
Esquire
One at a
Elias,
time.
not Asher Elias.
Please, order in the court. Order in the court.
There
Please.
can be no order while communism exists.
Your
Everybody,
Honor,
please.
Virus, Your Honor, this
So,
is just an
Your
I-
Honor, can
Can we kick
please
Kylie?
speak
Yep, it's
for the defense?
Okay, please proceed.
I'm sorry for
The
calling
only
you out,
thing
but
I
I
want
did
to
not
say-
mean to do that.
One at a
sir.
time.
The only thing that I want to say, as an
Dix.
expert witness on Cornac's character, is that
Dix.
Cornac is a retard.
Could we not have vulgar language in the courtroom?
Yes, please. Can we have
have
that
moderation.
worded?
Move to have
Mine
that
including
struck
myself.
from the record,
I
please.
will not
Order!
comply.
Order!
Cornac, you
Please
cannot have that
remain
struck from the
silent.
record, but you can ask to be treat the witness as hostile.
Don't treat me as hostile. You
It
don't
would
want
be
to do that.
It would be a very unusual step to treat your own expert witness as a hostile witness.
You
but
do
it's
not want to
possible.
do that.
I love you. I love you, Asher.
What's
Goodbye.
this?
Can we
Your
please
Honor,
proceed with the next witness?
Thank you, Your Honor. Cornac, do you have anyone else to call?
I have only the name of freedom and justice.
Can we please stop with the incessant ramblings and
Your Honor, I feel like
This is freedom. This is justice. This is America.
As
You live
an
in a
officer of the court,
communist
as an
Well,
officer
not
of the court,
everybody
Your Honor,
is from
people are
America.
I feel like
oppressed. Your
Mags is
people
not being
starve,
appropriately
They
represented.
die
And
of disease.
even
You
though
kill them
I
in cold blood.
oppose
Their
the release
ventures
of
die
Mags,
before
I
you're
feel like
done.
you need to censure
Your own
Cornac and
people.
appoint a better attorney to defend him.
This is a
My
Can
official
we,
comment is that Cornac fights for justice and honor.
excuse me, order in the court. Can we please get Cornac censored? Can we get some security in here to arrange for that? And can
No, you
Your
may
Honor,
not.
Your Honor, it's called censured, not censored. It's okay.
Can
You're
I
good.
interject into Mag's comment?
not right now? Can we please get Can we please get Cornac dealt with first, and then can we find somebody else to act on behalf of Mags, please?
I will accept no other counsel.
You'll have to appoint one.
There is only one council in that.
There is only Cornet.
There is only Zool. What are you talking about?
Mags, I'm
we have someone wanting to negotiate the bail for Mags.
Oh.
Who would that be?
Mags is not in trial.
Can we
His
please?
goons are under trial for their
Riker, can you approach the bench, please?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. I am at a literal bench now and ready to negotiate the terms of his bail.
Thank you, sir. You may proceed.
I demand that you give Dreadit no less than 400 billion to take back Nags.
Okay, there we go.
Wow.
Order.
Dicks.
Okay, I'm in one tact here right now, so...
Is there an Australian in this room?
Sup?
There are no less than 61 Australians in this room.
Australians are not people. That cannot be counted.
Where does this Australian live? I'm curious.
Australia.
I'm sorry. Can we please?
Australia.
Can we please
That's
keep
a
it focused
shit ton
on the
of people
subject
here.
matter at hand right now?
No.
Well, I believe the subject matter at hand is Australia, so yes.
Oh,
let's
this
keep it
is
there.
not the.
Where in
subject
Australia
we're trying to
specifically?
discuss.
Perth.
Perth. Your Honor, these people are on numerous sidebars that have nothing to do with the particular story.
I completely
Bailiff, will
agree
you
with this.
please censure Czar villainous or eject him from the courtroom if he will not be silent?
Bunch of fucking
I
convicts.
think the
I don't know how to
non-existence
censure
of,
people. I'm just a
Australia
bailiff.
is very relevant to this.
Your
case.
Honor, he has been censored.
Thank you.
Battle Royale.
Freak fight it, son.
Okay.
Can we hot micing, by the way?
Can we please proceed now with the case at hand, which is trying to establish a safe release for who appears to be called Swet Mags.
All I know is you are currently on trial for war crimes of the highest order, and you must pay.
Your Honor, this foolish strategy of trying to change the subject of the
There
trial
is
is
no
not
change.
only...
The only crime that has been committed here is the theft of one Hammerhead 1 and a venture.
I'm sorry, could we please get another representative for Sir Swet Mags here? We appear to be getting
You
nowhere
cannot.
with
This is an
Cornmeal.
absolute monarchy.
What about the damage caused to our own members by said person?
I see no damage.
Fuck your members.
I was emotionally traumatized.
Good.
What do you Sino Cornac? You Sino damage?
I see Lieutenant Schwartz. I see Gordon Serofos. I see Riker 514, but I do not see a Swet Mags.
It's because your member is shit at PvP.
What? So what you're telling me is that he didn't actually engage in PvP with you.
He did threaten.
Wait, is this a novel legal strategy that Test is so bad at PvP that when they shoot at other people, it cannot be considered PvP?
Correct.
That is
Yes.
Swet Mags, thus
That
no
is the
crime was committed.
I don't know. It's a
He
pretty
attempted
convincing
to attack
strategy,
our
Your Honor.
members. He attempted to attack our members, who responded in quick, swift force to protect themselves.
And yet, if he had attacked them, he would be listed on this kill mail, but he did not attack
He
them.
never had the time to attack because he was dealt with
So
swifter
what you're
than
telling
he
me
could.
is he didn't attack them.
What I'm saying is he
threatened
pre-planned an attack and went to carry through this attack, and we stopped him before he could.
So what you're saying is the cop shot the black man before the black man even pulled a gun.
No, what I'm saying is the black man has pulled the gun and pointed it, and then been captured and shot.
What I'm saying is
So wait, shouldn't I be on trial then?
Order, one at a time, please.
We're talking about breaking and entering here. This man was
He
in
did not break, nor
our
did he
space, alright?
You do not own this space. The glorious overstate of Board owns this space.
May I interject for 1 second?
To be sure,
No.
whose space is our space?
Where is
All
the sovereignty
space is the
claims?
glorious overstate of
Do you have paperwork and sovereignty claims over this system?
I'm sorry, but I am a sovereign man of the land. I do not need your paperwork. I do not join your
Excuse
joinder.
me, one at a time now. I believe the last valid question asked was to present paperwork proving sovereignty over the system of 7 Tech K. Please proceed.
Your Honor, I propose we use Dotland as a neutral arbiter that has been used for
Dotland
many
is
years
inaccurate,
to
as
determine
it does not
sovereignty
display
claims.
I will allow it.
That it has a lack of collisions, such as the glorious overstated board, which, as previously stated, controls all that exists, all that has existed.
Can Your Honor enumerate the system in question, please?
Can we please present
7
the
Tech K, Sex UE.
Can we please present the Dotland findings?
Your Honor, may I approach the bench?
What is the system name again?
I'd like to
7
submit this. We will call it Item 1. You will see it is a Dotland page that clearly states that Goons Swarm Federation controls the territory and the infrastructure hub.
But the
I
coalition of the glorious
see this.
overstated board owns the existence of the alliance of Goons Swarm Federation.
May I
Thus,
interject?
The glorious overstated board owns the system of 7 Tech K.
Please
May
proceed,
I
Jasmine.
interject to that? The claim that the glorious overseer of Bort claims over everything. Overstate of Bort has claim over everything. Okay. He has denied that it's
garbage of Bort.
You have claimed that it owns everything. That includes the war crimes committed that you so claim, and everything else that has been dealt with.
War crimes Your Honor,
I have a further accusation against Cornsnack. My accusation against Cornsnack is that when we tried to have cybersex, he would only put on a wizard hat and jacket, and he would not do any of the things I wanted.
Well, that's just good
rude.
sex.
Listen.
That needs some foreplay.
Please, only one at a time. If you wish to speak, then approach the bench and request, and we can work through this in a very fair and organized manner. This is becoming very barbaric.
Mr. Cornbread,
the
do you
only
have
barbaric acts are the war crimes prosecuted by your people.
Mr. Cornbread, do you have paperwork claiming that you own everything?
Yes, my very existence.
Your very existence is not paperwork.
I am the law.
I feel like Cornsnack went to the Michael Scott School of Improv.
Must be an online degree.
I am the Senate.
I declare bankruptcy.
Could
Literally, you guys are bankrupting me by not giving me another venture, but...
Excuse me, but
your
Cornac, please.
Head 1 has constant lapse into financial destitution.
Your Honor, if I may object here.
Please proceed.
We seem to have another person from Dreaded in the system currently. We do not know if this person is currently trying to break out his sweet mags.
I do see this.
Oh, that means I need to go.
I will have to make a non-legal statement here that people may need to watch out. Make sure that the client in question or the victim, so being defended, is protected.
He's actually not with.
And the honey's protected.
He is highly protected. We do have healing being given to him.
If you claim that he is protected, then how did he die?
He is not
He
dead.
hasn't dead.
He died.
I can firmly see him here in the courtroom.
And yet, there is clear evidence of his death as provided
Cornac,
by...
do you have stairs to your house?
I do not have stairs in my house.
Makes sense.
Bonking.
Your Honor, may I have a moment from the court, please?
No.
Proceed.
Just a quick question for the channel. Can we get a review or a quick summary for what's going on again? I just kind of arrived and I was interested in catching up on that. Thank you.
Try to AWOC some random dude and like
war crime was engaged in by the so-called best court, which, per their war crimes, appears to be only good at committing war crimes.
Excuse me, Cornac, if I may.
We're not so-called. We are the best court.
The notes that I have here that have just been presented to me briefly state that what happened was a Swet Mags and his colleagues were venturing through 7 Tech K 6 UE space when they stumbled upon a rock wall belonging to the Corporation of New Eden's Best. They proceeded to engage in hostilities.
You still have yet to present evidence that.
Please allow me to provide a recap. Please allow me to provide the recap.
Fundamentally flawed, as Swet never actually engaged in a hostile act.
Sir,
at which point the
moved from this courtroom.
At which point the Corporation of New Eden's Best did proceed to dispatch the hostiles as they had presented themselves, and kept a certain Swet Mags as kept him safe. They protected him from rats. They have even given him a ship, which he was forcefully removed from due to his unsafe operations of, and now we are proceeding the negotiations to establish quite what
he never actually shot anyone. He never engaged in hostile activity. You forced him to mine for you after killing his original ship, and then what do? You kill his next ship. You gunned down a civilian in cold blood. You gunned down someone working for you.
Objection, Your Honor. I object to the characterization of Mags as a civilian, as he was in an armed vessel.
He was armed for his own safety. He engaged in no offensive action.
Your Honor, there's no castle doctrine in Delve.
Unfortunately, there is.
Mags does not own or live in Delve. It's not his automobile or his spaceship.
This is a free country, and as such, you can carry as heavily ship as you wish.
Do you have paperwork saying land is free?
Well,
Your Honor,
freedom is non-negotiable, thus everywhere is free.
Your Honor, as the prosecution has the drop of deuce, may I propose a settlement option? Can we release Mags on a recognizance bond and revisit the matter tomorrow?
No.
I demand compensation for these war crimes.
We demand compensation for the damage done to our members.
He did no damage. What damage did he do?
The proposal given.
I was emotionally scarred.
The proposal that is given is certainly something that could be arranged. However, I would have to ask that the jury gives their verdict on whether or not that goes through.
As the judge, jury, and executioner of the glorious overstated
Cornac, please.
I don't think you're authorized to do that.
Cornac, please. You are using a state that is not recognized by any other party here.
Unfortunately, it's recognized by all parties because it controls all parties.
We do have an Ares on grid, by the way.
Parties.
There is an Ares on grid.
Well, as a part of the jury, I vote for releasing Mags on a bond.
He's here to bear witness.
I'll release my sirens at downtime.
It's almost as if, we've already experienced some war crimes here and feel that a witness is...
This is an international criminal court observer here to ensure that no more war crimes are committed while you are under trial.
I believe this Ares is acting in a hostile manner.
So what you're going to tell me is you're going to engage in a
I'm scared for my life
against a neutral observer sent purely to ensure that you do not continue to engage in these crimes.
Excuse me, if I may speak.
Your Honor.
I have spoken with the jury, and we have agreed on the settlement provided by Esquire Elias that we will release the Swet Mags in question. However, we will reapproach the situation tomorrow.
Shit, why does there's this boss here, and I can't figure out why he's not taking any damage. I mean, I didn't read the quest text, so that's probably something I should have done, but I can't figure it out.
Does anybody have any objections with the proposed settlement? If so, please speak now, one at a time.
I am not okay with current proceedings. I am guaranteed a timely and orderly trial. I demand that it's over tonight.
No.
Oh, apparently you have to kill one of the little Shaws and then the big Shaw dies. Okay.
Your Honor, I was scared for my life just now. I had to warp away.
If I may interject, I'm afraid freedom is non-negotiable.
Your Honor, I have a alternate suggestion.
Proceed.
Why don't we allow Mags to invoke the ancient right of trial by Batel? He can then engage in 1v1 combat with a champion for best corp, and the winner will be deemed to be the one who was in the right.
Your Honor, if I
There
may
are hostile
interject
actions
right here
currently
now.
going down. I have just been attacked by Sir Lieutenant Schwartz in a purifier.
This is
Can we please remove this man from the
previous
courtroom?
hostile acts against our neutral observer. The
I-
police force of the
Excuse me,
Can I interject?
Excuse
Who
me,
is
Connor.
shot the pod? Who is shooting the pod?
Excuse me,
Honor.
Cornac. Please,
Frog Zone.
Sir Sweatmags, how would you respond to the most recent settlement being given that you will be allowed a trial by combat, if you will, against a champion from the corporation New Eden's Best?
All this sounds like is another attempt to prosecute yet another war crime.
We've given
This
him a
is
trial by combat.
This is a question directed only to Sweatmags. If he accepts, then his freedom will be negotiated as such.
Configuration of the glorious overstate of board. All
Which has
citizens
no-
Bailiff, will
pass
you restrain
on
Corn
their
Snack
rights.
so that Mags may be allowed to speak?
Can we please get a temporary restraint on Cornac #1 all else trash?
This is a blatant
Your Honor,
obstruction
I
of
will.
justice.
Cornbread, could we
I
have...
will institute your commandment. You will be
Thank you,
muted
sir.
for 5 seconds.
Sweatmags, how is your response to the settlement given? Do you accept trial by combat?
Do not accept anything without a lawyer present.
He has a lawyer present.
Your Honor, the time allocated has gone past. I am
I
unmuting
don't
Cormac.
see any lawyers here. I only see a judge, a jury, and an executioner, and that
Name
is
is
me.
Dix Esquire. I'm happy.
It appears that Sweatmags is refusing to comment upon the settlement provided.
Per the instructions of his lawyer.
Ready to drop this hammer, man, right on his head.
We do have a bomb incoming on the courtroom right now. There is a bomb.
We have a
proceeding towards
bomb.
The courtroom.
Shrapnel bomb.
This has proceeded to be a terrorist
600
attack.
damage.
There has been a terrorist attack on the courtroom. Can we please get some field medics out to repair any damage dealt? It appears that the Sweatmags is now taking heavy damage.
We have a war crime present by the Test Alliance. They're using shrapnel weaponry.
Shrapnel weaponry?
As per the Geneva Convention, shrapnel cannot be properly ascertained to the level of damage it may commit. I'm going to have to ask that you refrain from using any kind of shrapnel weaponry.
This was yet another police action designed to liberate our injured man from your evil clutches.
Sir, your captured man was the one that came out worse from that. We are now
That is
pulling
indeed intentional,
EMTs.
because it is better that he be dead than he be right.
You have damaged one of our members. Seriously.
Your
He
Honor,
is nearly dead.
Order. Somebody is wishing to speak.
Your Honor, may I approach the bench?
We need Logi on
The prosecution's become bored and is going to go shitpost on Reddit. I wish you good luck.
You are dismissed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you,
I
Counsel.
could get to my Logi ship, but I'm afraid that I'll be attacked on my way there.
Your
They did it.
Motherfuckers!
Guys.
Who did it?
The pod is down.
Who did it?
Can we please
did.
collect the
I
corpse and
did.
hold
This
it
has
as
gone on
evidence?
for way too
Police
long.
brutality.
I
There
appreciate
was no
you
police
guys.
brutality.
I will
It was
collect the
damaged by
body
your own people.
and I will use it for personal purposes afterwards. Court is adjourned. Thank you. Goodbye.
You, like Confederation, has engaged
Yeah,
in
let me
lawful
fuck
police
Oh,
action,
God.
and thus we are satisfied.
On that
Test
unrelated
Alliance
note-
has broken Geneva Convention rules and should be dealt with by
The Geneva
standard
Convention
procedure.
is not recognized here. Only the ULI Convention is recognized.
And does the Euler Convention state against the use of
I'm
shrapnel
sorry,
weaponry?
the judge is no longer present. He has left to go and play with a corpse.
That people may be liberated.
Good, because
from the
trial by
arrests
combat
of
was
hostile
fucking retarded. I don't care what anyone says.
I would have loved it.
I feel
I'm not
that trial by combat was
awesome.
the better of settlements given.
I'm not saying it wouldn't have been awesome. I'm saying it was fucking retarded.
Okay, do you guys want me to sing now?
Do it.
No.
Yes.
Please,
Yes.
as the court is
Yes.
adjourned and the people are leaving, please can you sing them an exiting song? Jasmine is
Asian.
our
I
most
request a Little
prized.
Mermaid.
Jasmine is
His
our
Asian
most
president.